In partnership with the Peculiar People, we are honored to present a specially curated gift for you, Princess. This package features proudly made in Eswatini products, thoughtfully selected to celebrate our culture and your journey. We hope that this gift adds a special touch and makes this year's Umhlanga a truly memorable and meaningful experience for you.
There's a couple of brands that came together, and the theme is Imagine the Impact.
Siyabona ke lokho nto amaswati siyakuvumisa siyakutusa kuhle kakhulu ngiloko ingwema vele bekushiya ngithi kangahambe emagameni emntwanenkosi uthi umntwanenkosi liphupho lakhe ukuthi ungabe nguye kuphela lo enjoy into leti ngaleli phutho lenkosi nakusiwa nje siyimbali emaswati nalo letisuka libe lihle kanje.
I'm happy to receive all these products. I'm really grateful as well that the companies want to gift me this, and it will be a pleasure to try everything here. Yes, I like a few things. They will definitely prepare me for my journey to Umhlanga. Yes, and maybe one day we can find a way to also gift the girls, because I think it would be good for them to just know more about these products, that they're made in Eswatini and that we're capable of doing such beautiful products as well.
Mabukisi Foundation, Lwadi nebuve ingcebo.